Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom video thumbnail for your Wix.com site. So first off, I'm going to be starting from the dashboard here and we're going to be heading to the Wix website editor to actually do this tutorial. So we're going to click on this edit site button here and it'll take me to the Wix website editor right here, right? And let's add a video first. Let's go on the add elements section here and let's go to the video and music section and then let's click on this one, the video upload one. Now I'm gonna center it right here, and the video right now is just this video of New York City, so I'm gonna keep it as is. And the way you want to change the cover is by clicking on design. On design here, there's a cover image, and this is our thumbnail, right? So if I want to add in a new thumbnail, for example, I'm just going to do a sunset image like that. Sunset image like this, and I'm gonna do this one. This is actually very small. I'm gonna find a more, there you go. Yeah. This is a better high-res one. I'm gonna screenshot it and I'm going to upload this to Wix, design, add, upload media, upload from computer. I'm gonna upload it real quick. Now wait for it to upload. Let's click add to page. And now the thumbnail is this image of a sunrise, right? Let's try to click on preview to see that this really is a thumbnail and not the video that has been changed. Yeah, there you go. See, it was a thumbnail of a sunset, but now this is a video, a time lapse of New York City, right? And once you have found how to do this, now you can basically make any thumbnail that you want. If a normal picture doesn't suffice for you, I'm pretty sure Wix also has a custom image editor built in right here, but I'm pretty sure it's not that nice to use. But for example, if I click on the adjust like this. This is a editor right here built in on Wix, so you can adjust the brightness if you'd like, or the contrast, or the highlights, something like that. Although this is very limited and it's just it's limited to like filters and stuff. There's also text and decorative here if you'd like. So for example, if this video is a video of an Empire State City. Empire State. Now this design looks horrible, but this is just to show an example, right? Empire State. I'm gonna at least make it something seeable here. I'm gonna give it a color, text color. I'm gonna make it white. Yeah, there you go. And I'm gonna add some decorative stuff here, like an arrow, like this. So it's like a clickbait thumbnail, like this. Okay. Another arrow. So it really gives that custom vibe. There you go. Now let's make it red as well to really give it that YouTube energy. Very bright red, like that. Design, one more. Give it that very bright red. There you go. Once I'm happy with this, I'm just gonna click on save. Give it a second to load. Sometimes it might lag. There you go. Now once you're happy, this will be saved as a new image, right? So let's just click on add to page to replace the thumbnail. There you go. Now you have your very own custom thumbnail right here on Wix.